In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail stars to better organize your emails, a helpful tool that can make managing your inbox much easier. Let's dive right into these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage of Gmail, navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon is easily recognizable as it resembles, well, a gear. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled See All Settings. Go ahead and click on it, and this will open up the settings page with various tabs across the top. Once you are in the settings menu, direct your attention to the General tab, which should be the default view. This is where you'll find plenty of customizable features for your Gmail experience, but today we're focusing on the section for stars. Scroll down through the general settings until you locate this section. In the star section, you'll see different star icons that you can use to differentiate your emails. By default, Gmail uses a single yellow star, but there are more options available. Here you are able to customize which stars and symbols you want at your disposal. Simply drag the star icons from the Not in Use section to the In Use section. These are the icons you'll be able to cycle through when marking your emails. If you decide later that you want to change your selection, you can always revisit this setting to adjust them. After you've made your selections, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that your customized star settings are applied and will be available for you to use in your inbox. Now that your settings are updated, return to your Gmail inbox. Here's where the real organization magic happens. Find an email that you want to flag with a star. To do this, locate the star icon, which is located right next to the email's sender information. Clicking this star will highlight the email and serve as a visual reminder of its importance or priority. Once your email is starred, it will also automatically appear in the starred folder, giving you easy access to important messages. If you've chosen multiple types of stars or flags, you can continue clicking on the star icon to cycle through these different options. This is particularly useful if you want to categorize your emails further, like marking some as urgent or requiring follow-up. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly organize your inbox with Gmail stars, ensuring that you never miss an important email. Again, happy organizing.